This is Mamuni. Thank you so much for being Amar Baba.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss how to solve a trial balance problem. So let's get started. Chalo, shuru kara jak. So let's go through the problem. Trial balance. Prepare a trial balance from the following balances of Miss Chatterjee as on 31st November 2021. So name of accounts are given here and the amounts are given here. So let's do it. The first account is cash. The amount is 50,000. Let's write cash 50,000. Cash account is a debit balance. So we'll write 50,000 in the debit column. Why cash account is a debit balance? Because cash account falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. Here, from the point of view of the business, cash comes into the business. So cash will be debited. Understood? Let's see the next account. The next account is capital. What is the amount? 3 lakhs. Let's do it. Capital. Capital account is a credit balance. So we'll write the amount in the credit column. 3 lakhs. Why capital account is a credit balance? Because capital account falls under personal account. According to personal account, the giver of the benefit is credit. Here, the proprietor is the giver of capital or cash into the business. So, capital account will be credited. Understood? Let's see the next account. The next account is leasehold premises. The amount is 3 lakhs. Let's write leasehold premises. What is the amount? 3 lakhs. Leasehold premises is a debit balance. That is the reason we are writing in the debit column. What is leasehold premises? Leasehold premises means the duration or holding of land or property by lease. Leasehold premises is an asset. Leasehold premises falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. Here, when leasehold premises are purchased, the asset comes into the business. So, leasehold premises will be debited. Understood? Let's see the next account. What is the next account? Freehold premises, 12 lakhs. Let's write freehold premises. Freehold premises is a debit balance. That is the reason we're going to write in the debit column. What is freehold premises? Freehold premises means the duration or holding of land or property for life. Understood? Freehold premises is an asset. It falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. So, when freehold premises is purchased, it comes into the business. So, freehold premises will be debited. Understood? Let's see the next account. The next account is equipment. What is the amount? 5,000. Let's write equipment. Equipment. Equipment is a debit balance. So we'll write in the debit column. Why equipment is a debit balance? Because equipment falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. When equipment is purchased, equipment comes into the business. So equipment account will be debited. Understood? Clear? So let's see the next account. Repairs to equipment, 1,000. Repairs to equipment 1000. Let's write. Repairs to equipment 1000. Repairs to equipment is a debit balance. Why? Because repairs to equipment comes under nominal account. According to nominal account, all losses and expenses debit. Here, repairs to equipment is an expense for the business. So, repairs to equipment will be debited. Understood? Let's see the next account. The next account is depreciation 2000. Let's write depreciation. Depreciation is a debit balance. So, we'll write 2000 in the debit column. Why depreciation is a debit balance? Because depreciation comes under nominal account. According to nominal account, all losses and expenses debit. Depreciation is a loss for the business. So, depreciation account will be debited. Understood? Clear? So, let's see the next account. Sundry creditors. The amount is 2,02,000. Let's write. Sundry creditors is a credit balance. So, we'll write the amount in the credit column, 2,02,000. So, sundry creditors comes under personal account. According to personal account, the giver of the benefit is credit. So, sundry creditors will be credited. Clear? So, let's see the next account. Investments at the rate of 8%, 1 lakh. So, let's write. Investments is an asset. So, it is a debit balance. So, we'll write in the debit column 1 lakh. Why investment is a debit balance? Because investments is an asset and it falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. So, when investment is purchased, it comes into the business. So, investment account will be debited. Understood? Clear? So, let's see the next account. Interest on investment 8,000. Let's write. Interest on investment. Interest on investment is a credit balance. That is the reason we are writing in the credit column. Why? Interest on investment is a credit balance because interest on investment comes under nominal account. According to nominal account, all incomes and gains credit. Interest on investment is an income. So, interest on investment will be credited. Understood? Clear? Let's see the next account. Loan from bank 10 lakhs. Let's write. Loan from bank. So, loan from bank 10 lakhs. So, loan from bank is a credit balance. That's the reason we are writing 10 lakhs in the credit column. But why loan from bank is a credit balance? Because loan from bank falls under personal account. According to personal account, the giver of the benefit is credit. So, loan from bank is the giver of loan. So, loan from bank will be credited. Understood? Let's see the next account. The next account is interest on loan 1,32,000. Let's write. Interest on loan 1,32,000. 1,32,000. Interest on loan is a debit balance. That is the reason we have written the amount in the debit column. But why interest on loan is a debit balance? Because interest on loan falls under nominal account. According to nominal account, all losses and expenses debit. Interest on loan is an expense. That is the reason interest on loan will be debited. Here, when you're taking loan from bank, you have to pay interest. So interest on loan is an expense for the business. So interest on loan will be debited. Understood? Let's see the next account. Okay, we have missed out one account. Furniture and fixtures. 10,000. Let's write. Furniture and fixtures. 10,000. Furniture and fixtures is a debit balance. That is the reason we are writing 10,000 in debit column. Why furniture and fixture is a debit balance? Because furniture and fixture falls under real account. According to real account, what comes in is debit. When furniture and fixtures are purchased, furniture and fixtures comes into the business. So furniture and fixtures will be debited. Understood? Clear? And let's see the last account. The last account is sales account. How much? 2,90,000. Let's write sales account. 2,90,000. Sales account is a credit balance, and that is the reason we have written 2,90,000 in credit column. But why sales is a credit balance? Because sales account falls under real account as well as nominal account. According to real account, what goes out is credit. When goods are sold, goods go out from the business, so sales account will be credited. According to nominal account, all incomes and gains are credit. So when goods are sold, money comes in. Sales is an income for the business. So sales account will be credited. Okay, now let's calculate the debit column as well as the credit column. So let's calculate the debit column. The debit column is 18 lakhs. Let's see the credit column. The credit column is also 18 lakhs. So the total of debit column is equal to the total of credit column. So the trial balance did tally. Understood? Clear? I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your precious time. I hope this was useful. And before I fade out, please remember, your problems might be as big as the sky, but God will give you countless solutions just like the sunshine. Bye-bye. Take care, stay safe, and stay blessed always.